Pranam. Let us know about the very basic chakra, Root Chakra or the Muladhara Chakra. So, first of all, let us know about its shape. Its shape is like lotus having 4 petals, and the nadis are 4. Size is around 4 fingers in width, and it rotates in clockwise direction. It is situated below the genitals, and its Beej Mantra is Lam. There is a psyche knot or Granthi which is called Brahma Granthi, and it belongs to Bhuloka or Prithvi Loka. The color of the chakra is deep red, and the Vayu that rotates here is Apana. The yantra shape is square, and the color of Tattva Bhu, that is earth, is yellow. And it is characterized by smell. Goddess here is Savitri or Dakini, and God is Ganesh. The controlling planet is Mars, and God energy is Lingam. The animal representing this chakra is Airavat Hathi or elephant with 7 tusks. The energy center is inverted triangle, which is called Yoni. So this is the basic of this chakra. Many sadhak, they feel bad that this chakra is located at the genital organ, but it has nothing to do with physical self. Although when it is energized, it do help our physical energy, but then this is a system of energy. So let's move forward and know more about it. We should energize this chakra for many reasons. Because it is a basic chakra, means it provides the energy to attract the basic necessities of life. It makes you strong, it makes you confident, it makes you happy, it makes you healthy and smiling. And it makes you to realize the presence of this universal power, the God Most High of the universe. You can name this God in any way or in any name. Now, as I told you, the Beej Mantra is Lam, but it has 4 petals, and they also have the Beej Mantras because they are nadis, associated with nadis, which is Vam, Sham, Sham, Sam. Now, Vam Nadi is situated on top left side of the body, and it controls the Apana Vayu, which is responsible for the control of the movements of any discharge from your body in the form of urine, menstrual discharge, seminal fluids, fetus, and any excretory product. So it is very important. Sham Nadi is situated at the bottom left side of the body, and this controls the prana vayu in body. It is cold in nature and it maintains the body temperature of different organs like kidney, liver, genital area. It is also responsible for the generation of the sperms in men and ova in females. So the ladies having problem in fallopian tube can chant this Beej Mantra Sham and vibrate the nadi or the nerve over there. Now come to the Sham Nadi, which is bottom right side of the body, and it is a controller of etheric body. Shushma Sharir means our energy field, and it controls the flow of prana through Shushma Sharir, our energy field. Sam Nadi is situated at the top right of the body, and it works in conjunction with Sham. So Sam Nadi works in conjunction with Sham and controls Pranavayu, Apanavayu and Udanavayu. So this is all about the nadis. These nadi are more complicated to open as compared to other nadis, Sham and Sam. Now come to Lam, the main Beej Mantra. This Beej Mantra controls the four nadis. And first we have to energize this Lam. So when we energize the main nadi Lam, then the other four are activated. So Lam is the basic and important Beej Mantra. As I told you, Lord Ganesha is the ideal guru who is, in true sense, can take a sadhak to the divine grace of Mother Kundalini. Gana plus Ish, Lord of people. The whole area is like a dip, and Kundalini means Kunda. This dip lies here in Muladhara. So when you work in this chakra, you elevate, you resonate the Kundalini Shakti. And Ma Kali is situated here. Devi Savitri is the controller of Yoni, and Ma Dakini is also the controller of the Yoni. Now there are minor chakras also related with Muladhara Chakra, and they are Rudra Chakra and Charichak Chakra. This chakra has four nadis, means nerves. And these nadis help working the genitals in male and female. So if these two chakras are working well, people will not have problem in rearing the child or in the reproduction of child. Then there is a Rudra Chamunda Chakra. This is similar in man and animals. And when one enhance this chakra, it really help us to find our lineage. Then there is a Siddha Chamunda Chakra. This chakra works under the direct control of Muladhara Chakra. And it is the last link between animals and the development stage of human beings. Then comes the Siddha Lakshmi Chakra. This is the main chakra which work with Brahma Granthi to create a world of illusion for sadhaka. Siddha Yogeshwari Chakra. This minor chakra is responsible for providing anything the sadhak want in the form of riddhis and siddhis, in the form of wealth. And this chakra has 6 nadi emanating from it with the letters dha, dham, pam, vam, yam, bham, with the Beej Mantra lam. So dha nadi represent dhanam, financial prosperity. So when I say it brings you the basic necessity, I mean to say that it attracts the financial prosperity also. Next is Rupa Vidya Chakra. This chakra provides the shine on the face of sadhaka. And Shama Chakra is the power that a sadhak get to hide in a dark energy circle so that people may not recognize the depth of the knowledge. Because many sadhak, they want to remain simple and they don't want to show the depth of their knowledge. Whereas there are some people who have little knowledge and they try to just show it because there's a lot of ego in them. Then Dhanatura Chakra, it helps the sadhak to remove any misconception lying anywhere in any knowledge. So these are the chakras which are associated with Muladhara Chakra. And one can enhance this chakra by meditating on it, by putting crystals, by creating elixir in pure water, and by just taking the awareness on Muladhara Chakra, feeling it enhancing the energy, feeling the energy rotating and expanding. So if you can do this, you will enhance the energy of the chakra, and then you will recognize the importance of it. The result will definitely come in your life. You will experience a marvelous change in your life. So this is all about chakra. Though we can keep going talking on the chakra, but this is all what is required for any sadhak to know about Muladhara Chakra. So thank you so much, and I bless each and every one of you. I love you all. ईश्वर आपके साथ रहे.